In this video, you will learn how to use the Get Textbox Length keyword in Avo Assure to fetch the available character length of a selected text box in SAP application when automating it. Begin by adding the first step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select F1_TXT box as the element name, and Get Textbox Length as the keyword. Enter GTL within curly brackets in the output field to fetch the text box length. For the second step, select it generic as the element name, and display variable value as the keyword to automate displaying the fetched output created in the first test step. A point to note here is, you will need to enter the same value as that of the first test step's output field, in the second test step's input field. For this demo, the variable created is GTL. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps, and get the character length for the F1 text box, which in this example is 25.